はい、皆さん、こんにちは。Okay, let's start learn a very basic Japanese sentence. Okay, let's start with I like sushi. Okay. I like sushi. Okay, how do you say that in Japanese? If you have never done Japanese before, maybe you might find out I is watashi. Then like is suki desu. Then sushi is sushi. So you might say watashi suki desu sushi. But unfortunately, Japanese native speakers don't say that way. Okay, because Japanese has a different word order. Typically, Japanese sentence has a topic, start with topic, then followed by wa, that's a topic marker, then followed by noun, followed by particle, followed by verb. Yes, one of the most important point is many Japanese sentences end with verb. That's one of the biggest differences. So we say, I like sushi this way. So in terms of English word order, you say, I like sushi, but in Japanese word order, we say, I sushi like. Yes, I know it sounds weird, but that's a Japanese word order. So you should say, watashi here, then followed by topic marker wa, そして followed by sushi, then followed by 好きです。好きです。Then Japanese full stop here. Then particle here is 寿司が好きです。が is a subject marker indicating what is the main subject in the sentence. In this sentence, sushi is the main subject. So 私は寿司が好きです。Okay, じゃあ let's expand from here. Yesterday, we made a yes-no question from here. But today, let's make up a WH question, such as what do you like or who do you like? Okay, so let's find out what do you like first. Okay, how do you say what in Japanese? What is nani? Nani? So in English sentences, we normally put what at the beginning of the sentence. But as we noticed, yes, in the middle of the sentence, we are using noun. So what is basically belonging to noun. So nani should be here. Okay. Then if you want to say, what do you like? Of course, you is あなた。あなた。そして followed by は、then followed by が、followed by 好きです。Then, I hope you remember, Japanese question mark is かですね。Then, still we need full stop. あなたは何が好きですか？あなたは何が好きですか？ So that means, what do you like? あなたは何が好きですか？ Okay, let's move on to who do you like? Who do you like? As you can guess, who should be here in the category of noun. So who is 誰 Who is 誰 So you can say あなたは誰が好きですか？あなたは誰が好きですか？Okay, じゃあ let's make up a short conversation. So if I say あなたは何が好きですか？あなたは何が好きですか？ Maybe you can say はい、私は寿司が好きです。私は寿司が好きです。I like sushi. Then if I say あなたは 誰が好きですか？あなたは誰が好きですか？So you can say 私は、whoever he is or she is, such as Michael Jackson, Taylor Swift, ダース・ベイダー、ルーク・スカイウォーカーが好きです。あなたは誰が好きですか？私は、マイケル・ジャクソンが好きです。私は、ルーク・スカイウォーカーが好きです。You can say that way. はい。Today, we expand the basic sentence, I like sushi. 私は寿司が好きです。to basic WH question. あなたは何が好きですか？あなたは誰が好きですか？Okay, I hope you understand how to make up Japanese sentences. So if you have any questions, please let me know. はい、ありがとうございました。